If you are looking for a high-precision, quick-turn manufacturing process to fabricate your parts, you should think about CNC machining. Please step inside the CNC machining of RPWORLD. The CNC lathe machines, 3, 4, and 5-axis CNC milling machines, and electrical discharge machines are equipped at RPWORLD. And we have more than 30 engineering plastic and metal materials. With over a decade's experience, RPWORLD has taken the lead in CNC machining. Our experienced engineers, in combination with advanced 4 and 5-axis CNC machines, and the automation robot will bring the best solution to you, no matter if it is only 1 or 10,000 parts. RPWORLD is committed to helping you avoid production risk at the beginning of products development and bring new products to market as quickly and cost-effectively as possible. Strict inspection procedures and full CMM inspection are the double guarantee of quality. Eventually, the custom parts with careful packaging will deliver to your hands as your initial design. Choose RPWORLD. We will return you high-accuracy parts and fast lead time.